Today we're going to talk about sending alerts or alarms to email addresses. The first thing to do is make sure your email address is set up correctly. Now, how do we do that? We go to the store page by clicking on the Kachoolie number on any particular store. In this case, I've chosen Arbuckles. And then once you're there, you click on the store contacts. Now we see that although I chose Arbuckles, the system knows that I was actually registered as a user for the Waverley Square Belmont Golf, but I have permissions to also see other sites. So my particular login that I created specifically for this video is called Test Volta. To go into my record, I click on Test Volta. Over here, I see my usernames, I see who I am, I see my address, and most importantly, we see that my main email is jackchattles@gmail.com. There's also an option for a short email, and I can put the same email address into the short email as well, like I'm doing now, and then I can choose to use all emails. What this means is I'm going to get 2 emails when I get alerts. The first email address, this one over here, is going to get a full HTML email. The second email address, which happens to be the same, is going to get a short email address. Sorry, it's going to get a short email message. The short email message will not be HTML, it'll be plain text, it'll be short, and it's often used when sending these alerts to pages or to phones. Once I've made sure my email address is correct, I click on Apply Changes. Let's go back to the forecast page. At the forecast page, we can choose a particular store. I'm going to choose the store over here, and I'm going to go and I'm going to apply filters. So we're on the store, we go to the alarms page, which is for this particular store. We may have selected it from a particular tank, but it's for the store in general. We're going to choose a particular profile. So let's choose Kachoolie Communication Alert, all sensor categories. We hit go, and we see all those particular alerts. We're reinforced as to which categories we've chosen by looking over here. If we want to store this configuration so emails will go out, we click on yes over here under Save Alarm and Sensor Category Selection for alarm emails for the store. Make that yes. And let's turn the emails on. We click Go, and now the emails are on. We can see here in the report which alarms we would have got emails for. And you can see under the alarm history that the alarm was checked for email clients, but no emails were sent because at that time we weren't set up to get emails. How do these emails look? So I'm going to go into my Gmail account and I'm going to look at an email that I got from the past. So this email is a communications alert, a communications alarm. It gives us a timestamp. It gives us some surrounding information that the alarm came from Kachoolie Cloud. It's a quick link to get to Kachoolie Cloud. And it also gives you information if you don't know what the alarm is about. We also have a disclaimer which explains the reliability of alarms. The alarms are only as reliable as the communications with the tank gauge. Now, even though we may lose communications for a period, the tank gauge does store the history of alarms up to about 150 alarms. So a short break in communications is not going to affect receiving the alarms at Kachoolie, although it may delay them until Kachoolie actually receives the alarm. That's it for emailing alarms to Kachoolie.